Hi my YouTube friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am Dee, of course, and you are viewing the How To Lady, a channel that focuses on a plethora of things. And the main thing is that we show you how to do it. So we are celebrating the holiday season, and I would like to show you how you can make a window wreath for $0. Who doesn't like to get something free 99? See if you can use any of these tips, and if so, hey, hold on, stick around, and as always, we're gonna get this ball rolling and we're gonna knock it out of the park. So everyone knows how I like to get things free 99, right? So I have Christmas decorations that I'd like to share with you. I got them for $0. I got this little item here at Walmart. They were decorating their store, and they were actually, let's see if I can show you a little bit better. They were actually back to back. So one was sitting like this, and then it had another one right behind it, and they were attached. I asked for them while I was in the store, and they gave them to me without a problem. In fact, they were actually telling me, load it right up. Do you need us to help you load it up? Well, I bought these little beauties home. Well, they were very, they're sort of a thick cardboard, and not really a cardboard, but it's made out of some other type of material that seems to be able to endure the weather. So I bought these home. I only had 3 of them, so I took them apart. So instead of ending up with just 3, I ended up with 6. And then I took some lights, very inexpensive lights. We can get these anywhere. And got these lights. And now I am taping the lights to the star. And then I am putting a beautiful red bow that I already had at home in the center. And I'm gonna show you what they look like on my house. This is a great project. I love going to Walmart and places that are decorating for the holidays because they always have things left over. And I just ask for them and I bring them home and figure out a way to use them in my decor. And it turns out really nice. I'll show you the finished product when I'm done. So here is a finished product. I really like it. It looks very nice even in the daytime. And I tell you, this turned out very, very nice. I have about 6 of them on the house. And then I will also show you a picture of them at night. It's absolutely beautiful. Kind of give me your thoughts about it. I have 6 of these star wreaths, and I'm gonna step back and let you see the entire house with the wreaths on it. They turned out really nicely. So here's the finished product. Here are the 6 star wreaths that I made for $0. As I stated earlier, I got the stars from Walmart. They were decorating their store and they decided that I guess they had too many. They over-ordered and they were about to discard them. And I asked for these and they look amazing. I took them apart. I put lights on them. Tell me what you think. So this is our festive DIY project. And I really, really like it. It goes well with the decor on the house, trimmed in all of the wonderful lights. And I even put cool little pillows, red pillows on the porch to accent the red bows that are in the star wreaths that I've made. And I like doing things that are unique and that everyone does not have. So yeah, these star wreaths turned out very nice. The daytime and evening view are both outstanding and is a great accent on the house during the holidays. Always think about ways that you can use an item in a way that it was not intended. For more holiday craft ideas, please check out the holiday playlist on my channel. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.